What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jasmy. And yes guys, it has hit another green day. It is up just about 10%, currently valued at just over 2 cents in value. So we're going to go through its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well. What can we expect, especially now that we're in March and the Bitcoin halving is just a few weeks away? How is this going to have an impact on the crypto market and Jasmy in specific, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view? Is it too late to buy it? Is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? So essentially covering buyers and sellers point of view and its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, since about the 21st of February, just about 10 days guys, it has broken out from the red zone into the green zone, and from the green zone into the dark green zone right now, which is pretty exciting for Jasmy. But we'll get into all of that stuff later on in the video. So for now, let's hide this and let's bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as usual, Jasmy is performing very well above the average value here, which means it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and yes, it is looking quite steep as well. And the blue line is just about slanting towards the bullish direction. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Jasmy to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value from where it is at the moment, potentially heading up to 0.0235 to 0.0234 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, as you guys know, dips are always part of the process. So yes, I'm expecting red candles in between, but the overall outcome is what matters, and at this point it does seem to be more on the positive side. So do expect minimal increases in value from Jasmy over the coming 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect? So essentially over the next 7 to 8 days, we are still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and it is not looking too steep either. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are again expected from Jasmy over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, Jasmy should be heading towards getting close to the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting it to go to. However, it's not going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. It is likely to hit red days in between, but once again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, heading to around 3 cents in value is what I'm expecting. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? So essentially over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late April 2024, we are looking way too steep here guys. We've got both the lines heading upwards towards the bullish direction, but all is good except the fact that they are looking way too steep, meaning this is not realistic. The reason they are looking so steep is due to the fact that it has pumped up quite a bit over the last couple of 2 to 3 weeks, meaning the graph thinks is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace. However, that is essentially not the case. I'm expecting it to go for a price correction by mid-March, dropping down to just above 1 cent target, and then late March, April, May, heading upwards over the 3 cents target is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So yes, over the next 2 months it may look good. However, in between that time there is a price correction that is likely to take place, but I do keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Jasmy to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect and what to predict. So if you guys want to do that and stay in the loop, make sure to stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Not just for Jasmy, but the crypto market in general. There's a lot of cryptos that I also cover on this channel. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, this is the interesting part where we have broken out from the green zone into the dark green zone, and I'm expecting it to head a little bit higher over the coming week, potentially getting very close to the resistance target to head into the blue zone. But what it should essentially do is resist and then drop back down into the dark green zone, into the green zone here, and potentially back into the red zone by mid-March, and then slowly start to gain value into the blue zone by April, May is what my expectations are at the moment. But if there are any major changes to that, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has taken a little bit of a dip, down 60% in the last 24 hours, making it $476 million in trading. Reason for the dip is, as you guys can see, before the pump that took place over the last couple of hours earlier this morning, the crypto was literally fluctuating around a price range, meaning most people have held off it. They've invested or sold the crypto and right now waiting for it to pump up higher or drop down in value to buy the dip. So hence why the trading volume has dropped quite a bit over the week. As you guys can see, the crypto has pumped up 54%, and over the month a massive 350% increase for Jasmy over the month, which is absolutely crazy. And this number here is more than likely going to go up even higher over the coming weeks and months as well. So for those of you asking me, would I buy the crypto right now or would I sell it? Personally, I wouldn't buy it. Reason being is I'm expecting a price correction to take place over the coming weeks. So at the moment, there is no point me investing into it, especially if I'm expecting a price correction. And if I was on a profit, would I sell it? Yes, I would, but I would not sell all of it. What I mean by that is, if I had $1,000 invested into Jasmy right now and I was on a profit, I would take out 30%, so $300 I would take out, and 70% I would hold on to it over the coming months and potentially over the coming years as well, as I am a long-term trader, meaning I've also got some money in Jasmy and I've also taken out some profit, which in my opinion works both ways. So can Jasmy hit 10 cents anytime soon, guys? I know we're quite far off the 10 cents target. However, yes, I'm expecting Jasmy to hit 10 cents, not particularly in 2024, but before mid 2025 I'm expecting Jasmy to be hitting the 10 cents target. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024? Can it hit 5 cents? Potentially towards the very end of the year, yes it could, but let me know your predictions and your takes on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.